Hello to everyone watching this video. I'm Jared Bly. I love to be called Jello B. I'm from Liberia, West Africa, and I'm going to be teaching a piano music lesson. I call this the first topic for beginners, the musical alphabet, acid, indus, and enharmonic. When we're discussing the piano, the musical alphabets have to do with the first 7 letters of the English alphabets. The first 7 letters of the English alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And these alphabets are used to label the white keys of the piano. So the white keys of the piano are labeled by the musical alphabet. So this is the diagram. We have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. So the musical alphabets are used to label the white keys of the piano diagram. We use the musical alphabet to label the white keys of the piano diagram. So the white keys are labeled by the musical alphabet. So we use the white keys. So the white keys, we label the white keys with the musical alphabet. That's the first thing. So the musical alphabets are the first 7 letters of the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And on the piano, they are repeated. So we can see you got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. You just want to keep repeating it. So the next thing we take into consideration, we have actual locations for each one of the keys. So it says C is the white key before the 2 black keys. So we consider this is 2 black keys. This is 2 black keys here. This is a black key and this is a black key. This is a black key. And this is a black key. We have the 3 black keys here. So we have C is the white key before the 2 black keys. So our before comes on the left. So when we say C is the white key for the 2 black key, we're talking about this key. So this key is C. This is C. C is the white key before the 2 black keys. And F is the white key before the 3 black keys. So C and F have something in common. C and F have before. So C is before the 2 black keys and F is before the 3 black keys. So there's that. So we're gonna label this keys black. I'm gonna do like this stuff like this. So C is the white key before the 2 black keys and F is the white key before the 3 black keys. That's the first thing you need to grab. The next thing you need to grab is E is the white key after the 2 black keys. So E comes after the 2 black keys. E is the white key after the 2 black keys. After this is E. And B is the white key after the 3 black keys. The next thing is D is the white key between the 2 black keys. So this is D. D is between the 2 black keys. And G is the first white key in the midst of the 3 black keys. And A is the second white key in the midst of the 3 black keys. So how do we get our before? There are a couple of things you need to know. The first thing you need to know, the piano runs from left to right. So the piano starts from this way, going that way. So the piano runs from left to right. And the first thing you need to know, the piano has 2 and 3 black keys set up. So we have 2 black keys. We got 3 black keys, we got 2 black keys. Wherever the piano diagram you see on this one, we have 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys. So the piano has 2 and 3 black keys set up. That's the first thing you need to know. That's the second thing, that's the second thing you need to know. The piano runs from left to right. The second thing is the piano has 2 and 3 black keys set up. The next thing, we use the musical alphabets to name the white keys. So the musical alphabets are the natural keys that are used to name the white keys. And then we locate the keys with before C and F. Before C comes before the 2 black keys, F comes before the 3 black keys. E comes after the 2 black keys and B comes after the 3 black keys. D is between the 2 black keys. And G is the first white key in the midst of the 3 black keys. And A is the second white key in the midst of the 3 black keys. That's that. So that's the musical alphabet. So we have before, after, between, in the midst. So that's that. Okay. The next thing we're going to talk about, accidentals. We have three accidentals. Accidentals as alphabet symbols. We have three accidental sounds. The first sound accidental is like this. This means a white key. So when you apply this accidental, you make sure you're talking about the white keys. This is the natural accidental, which means whenever this accidental appears, you're saying not the white keys. This is what the accidental is saying. Now, there's another accidental called the sharp. The sharp accidental is like this. When the accidental appears, we're saying that the nearest key on the right. So we have, this is C. And the nearest key on the right of C, remember we're going from right to left. So the nearest key on the right of C is a black key. So that black key becomes C sharp. This is D. The nearest key on the right of D is a black key. So that black key becomes D sharp. We have E. The nearest key on the right of E is a white key. So this white key becomes E sharp. This is F. The nearest key on the right of F is a black key. So that key becomes F sharp. This is G. The nearest key on the right of G is a black key. So that key becomes G sharp. This is A. The nearest key on the right of A is a black key. So this key becomes A sharp. This is B. The nearest key on the right of B is a white key. So we're going to have two other black keys here like this. The nearest key on the right of B is a black key. So that key becomes B sharp. So we have 5 black sharps and 2 white sharps. The 5 black sharps are C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. And the 2 white sharps are B sharp, this is B sharp, and E sharp. So B sharp and E sharps are white. And the ones up there are black. So we have 5 black and 2 white. So we have 5 black sharps and 2 white sharps. So you can see in the diagram, this actually meant to guide you. You can use this video to copy your note. We started from here with the musical alphabets. The first one we'll look at the alphabets to identify the location. And now we're going to this. This has to do with the accidentals. So we just discussed the sharp. And now we're going to discuss the flat. The flat is the nearest key on the left. So the flat comes from this direction. The flat comes from this direction. Now with the flat, we're going to start with E flat. So we're going to place E flat. This one is E flat. This E is going to be E flat. This D is going to be D flat. This is C. C flat is a black key. It's a white key, sorry. B flat. We're going to have A. We're going to have A flat. We're going to have G. We're going to have G flat. We're going to have F. We're going to have E. We're going to have F flat. This is F flat. So we have similar situation like the sharp, but this time around it's kind of a little different. We have 5 black flats and 2 white flats. We have 5 black flats. Here's 5 black flats. 5 black flats and 2 white flats. So the 5 black flats and 5 black. And we have 2 white. So we have 5, so we have 2 white sharps. So So that's that. We have 5 black sharps and 2 white sharps. And we also have 5 black flats and 2 white flats. Please write it out. Coming back. Enharmonic. So this is C and this is C sharp, this is D and this is D flat. This is D and this is D sharp and this is E and this is E flat. So enharmonic says a single key with double meaning. So we have a situation here where we have 5 black enharmonic and 4 white enharmonics. The 4 white enharmonic concept is kind of new. A lot of people don't know that, but that's what it takes from what you've seen on the blackboard. So we have if we're gonna check the flats, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black flats, and we have 4 white flats. So the 4 white flats is E, same as E flat, F the same as E sharp, B the same as C flat, and C the same as D sharp. So that's that, and that's what we call the musical alphabets. The accidental and the enharmonic can be described right on this board. The musical alphabet are the white keys. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C are the musical alphabets, the keys with the red letter. The accidentals point to C, C sharp, D flat. The accidental have to do with 4 because the accidentals actually says that the accidentals relate to the sharp and the flat. So if you watch on this board, we have something that's happening here. Each key has 3 names. Like for example, we have C. We have C flat, we have C, and we have C sharp. We have D, we have D flat, and we have D sharp. We have E, we have E sharp, and we have E flat. We have F, we have F sharp, and we have F flat. It is easily seen with the black keys, the white keys between 2 black keys. Let's take for example, you see here. We have D, D flat, D sharp. So we have G, we have G sharp, we have G flat. So enharmonic accidentals say each key should have 3 names: a sharp name, a flat name, and a white name. The accidental goes beyond that, but in most cases, we don't easily teach double sharps and double flat to beginners. So we keep this